National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Marshall County, Woodford County, northeastern Tazewell County, eastern Peoria County, until 9 p.m. At 8:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Peoria, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Washington, Germantown Hills, and Spring Bay around 8:25 p.m. Metamora around 8:30 p.m. Eureka around 8:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Roanoke and Benson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 near mile marker 31. Interstate 39 between mile markers 11 and 37. Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 82 and 106.